In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur images using Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to soften an entire photo or blur just specific parts for a clean, professional look. Start by opening your project in Canva, then click the image you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. This tells Canva you're working on that photo and unlocks the editing options you need. Now, look toward the top of your screen for the main toolbar and click Edit. This opens the panel with all the core adjustments. In that panel, find the Effects section, then click Blur. This is where you can decide whether you want to blur the whole image at once or use a brush to blur only certain areas. If you want a quick, overall blur, choose the option to apply blur to the entire image. A slider will appear so you can adjust how strong the effect is. Start light and increase gradually until it looks right. A subtle blur can smooth a background or create a soft, dreamy feel without making the subject unrecognizable. Keep your eye on fine details like text or facial features. If those start to lose clarity and that's not your goal, ease up the intensity. If you need more control, choose the brush option. Here, you can change the brush size and the intensity. A larger size is helpful for big areas like backgrounds, while a smaller size gives you precision around edges. Intensity controls how strong the blur is with each stroke. A lower intensity lets you build the effect gradually, which is great for a natural result. With your settings in place, click and drag the brush over the parts of the photo you want to soften. Take your time around important details so you don't blur something you intend to keep sharp. A few quick tips as you brush. Zoom in for accuracy, especially near edges. Make multiple light passes instead of one heavy stroke. And use undo if you go too far, so you can step back easily. If you're comparing options, try the full image blur first, then switch to the brush to fine-tune specific areas that need extra softening. When you're happy with how it looks, that's it. Canva will keep your changes in the project, and you can move on to other edits or continue designing. With these simple tools, edit, effects, and blur, you can create gentle background softening or precise selective blur in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your images with confidence.